Are you thinking of investing in bonds but not sure how you need to start? Let's make it simple. The minimum investment is the least amount of money you need to buy 1 unit of a bond. It varies based on the type of bond and where you buy it. Government bonds start from as low as ₹100 on RBI Retail Direct, stock exchanges, or even online bond platforms like GRIP. Corporate bonds usually start around 1,000 to 10,000 when you buy through NSE, BSE, or OBPPs like GRIP, which make it super easy for retail investors. Private placements, these are direct issues to select investors and usually much higher amounts, often 10 lakhs or more. So they are mainly for HNIs or institutions. You don't always need huge capital. Thanks to online platforms, you can start small and gradually build your bond portfolio. Do check out our other videos on where to buy corporate bonds in India. Follow Fixed Return Academy for more simple and smart investing insights.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments, mutual funds are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.